Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset your Kia Cerato service light. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, find the trip button, usually located on your dashboard or steering wheel. This button is crucial for navigating the display menu. This entire process takes only a few moments and can save you a trip to the mechanic. It's a straightforward task that anyone can accomplish with these clear instructions. Now, let's navigate the dashboard menu. Press the trip button repeatedly to cycle through the various display modes on your instrument cluster. Keep pressing until you see a message like Service Interval or Service Due. This specific message confirms you are in the correct menu to proceed with the reset. It's important to be patient and ensure you land on the right screen before moving to the next step. To perform the reset, press and hold the trip button for approximately 5 to 10 seconds. You will notice the service interval display begin to flash, indicating it's ready for the reset. Once it starts flashing, release the button briefly. Then, immediately press and hold the trip button again for another few seconds until the display changes to show a new, extended service interval or resets completely. Congratulations! Your Kia Cerato service light should now be off, or the service interval reset to a new period, typically 10,000 miles or 12 months. To confirm, turn your ignition completely off, then back on. The service light should no longer be illuminated. Remember, while resetting the light is simple, consistent vehicle maintenance is essential for optimal performance and safety. Always refer to your owner's manual for specific service schedules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.